Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Learn is Fun. This is me Aisha with you, and today I am going to present some important words meaning regarding climate or environment. So this video is for all who wants to learn English, so they will learn new words for the climate or the environment today. Also, if you are a grade 12 student, so this video will be so informative because this is one of the topic of for you, I think page number 18 or 19, I don't know exactly, but it's regarding your book. So anyways, we will start. You must listen me carefully because this video will give you something. So just listen carefully and also do in the comment section that you want some more videos like that. So I will share with you on daily basis 10 or some words meaning to you. Anyways, if you didn't subscribe yet, do it also to motivate me. Let's start. Firstly, we have the word deforestation. Deforestation. It means the cutting down or clearing of trees in a forest, often to make space for farms, buildings, or roads. This can harm the environment and wildlife. It means you cut the tree for making space for the building, roads, you not whoever. So this step can then cause harm to the environment and also the wildlife. Wildlife in which we have lions, tigers, and these life. So it will be so harmful for the environment and wildlife cutting off trees. So that is called deforestation for making roads and buildings. Next, we have global warming. It means the earth is getting warmer. It means earth is getting hotter because of pollution, which changes the weather and affects nature. So global warming is something in which because of the pollutions our earth is getting warmer, and because of that our weather is changing and is affecting the nature. So that is called global warming. Now we will see ecosystem. Ecosystem is the system of interacting living organism and their physical environment. It means that you are interacting a system of interacting living organisms and their physical environment. If you interact with these, that is called ecosystem. Now, sustainability. It means sustainability. Sustainability. The practice of using resources in a way that does not deplete them and ensures they are available for future generations. The practice, it means you are using some resources in such a way that does not deplete them, that you are not hurting them, ensure they are available for future generations also. That is called sustainability. Next one, pollutions. Of course, the introduction of harmful substances or products into the environment which can cause damage to living organism and ecosystem. Ecosystem, just before I tell you, the study of living organism and their physical environment is called is ecosystem, or ecosystem in which the living organism live and their interactions. So, pollution is harming the living organism and ecosystem with the help of different harmful products that cause pollution in the air or anything like that. Now, greenhouse gases. Gases like carbon dioxide and methane that trap heat in the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. So now you have to remember that carbon dioxide and methane that trap heat in the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. That is called greenhouse gases. Now, emission means the release of something, for example, gases or smoke into the air. For example, you see the cars, the backside of the car, you see some black color smoke is coming out when the pipes are exhaust. That time they are giving polluting the air. This is called emission. The car is emitting the air. It's polluting the air, gas, sorry. So emission is something coming from that is polluting the environment. It can be in the form of gas, smoke, or air. So that's it. These are some words meaning. I hope you like it and you have learned something from that. If you like the video, just drop your comment down so I will be motivated and present you another some words meaning to you on daily basis. So let me know in the comment section if you like it. Don't forget to press like, and that's it. Till now, Allah Hafiz. Wait for the next video.